Alright, y'all, good morning. Please subscribe if y'all watching this. Hit that bell notification for my future videos. But as you can see, it's raining in Mississippi today. We got a little flooding. Look at that, running the river. Let's check out the property, see how this water's running. Ooh, nasty, boy. It just stopped coming down like a waterfall. I figured I'd come out and see how this water's running on this property. I checked it last time. We had that little 14 inches of rain. I say little, but let's see what's happening. Ain't really nothing running right down up in here I was worried about. Looking pretty good. I don't know if y'all can see that in the video, but tree lounge. But it's basically pretty dry right here. You know, it don't hold water. That's what I was worried about, holding water right here up in here. But it don't. I did a little cutting. Probably can't really tell. It was dark. So I had the lawnmower out yesterday. The beast, really, Mr. Jim's beast. But coming along good. Went a little bit further up here. Cleared out a little bit more. Look at it, it's flat. I hope y'all can notice. Yeah, y'all should be able to notice how it comes down. This is the flat I'm telling y'all about. This is where we're gonna be clearing out. Sorry about the lighting, but I can't help it. It's raining. Well, just another little video I did. Appreciate y'all. Y'all hit that subscribe button. Y'all first time viewer. God bless and peace out.